Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on the inflate option of the polygon actions in ZModeler of ZBrush. Before I get into the video, I just want to know which was your first ZBrush project, or which was your favorite ZBrush project you have done so far. I would like to see your ArtStation link. Just share your ArtStation in the comment section and let me explore in the community too. So let's get started with the inflate tool in ZModeler. So for that, I would like to choose the ZModeler brush from the palette and then choose the ZModeler here, or I press B, Z and M and then select the ZModeler. Hit spacebar by hovering the cursor on the polygon or right click. Once you got that, select the inflate and then you can choose your target. So if I choose the single target or single poly and then just click and drag, the polygon starts moving. It looks like as if you are moving this polygon, but it's actually moving in its normal direction. By the way, normal is a perpendicular line coming out from the polygon plane. It's an imaginary line which helps render engines to calculate the phase direction in normals, and it helps a lot in polygon visibility too. So these polygons are moving in the normal direction like that. So to better understand, I would like to use the face normal, and also I will choose poly loop. So when I just click there and then see, if when I'm moving these polygons, it's like they're scaling out, but actually it's moving out in fact. So this is a great tool for transforming the components like polygons in this case in some specific scenarios. So I can push them inside or outside. The next thing is we have the polygon inflation by edge normal. So if you carefully notice the by face, the corners are precisely intact, and you could also see the perpendicular angle is also intact there. Now I would like to choose the edge normal option and then just click and drag there, and you should be able to see the roundness which is happening here, because it's considering each and every edge individually, and the corner is sort of making it more round. You can also choose by point normal. Every vertex will have the normals, so that is also something which you should explore here. So you can just maybe try poly grouping two loops here, and then now select the inflate option by polygroup island, and then when I just click and drag it, and you should be able to see there is some sort of roundness happening here. So vertex normals are individual vertex moving in its own normal direction. That is how it's work. You can also try this on polygon sphere. Okay, so I just reduce the subdivisions to 20 and 20 and then make polymesh 3D, and also I just make the upper polygons into a different polygon group. Now I'm going to select the inflate tool with face normal, and you should be able to see they grow out in the normal direction like that. You can also try by point normals in similar case. So these are the few options what you find in the inflate tool, and I believe it's greatly used in polygon transformations. If you got any questions related to the inflate tool, please let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.